What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I have been in love, obsessed, infatuated with the past couple of Ipsy Glam Bag X, Glam Bag X boxes that I have received. So I'm so excited for this one. And I actually, I always miss the Ipsy choice. I always get BoxyCharm, but I always miss my Ipsy choice. But I actually made it in time for my Glam Bag X. So I think I chose 2 products, 2 or 3, I forget. But yeah, I'm excited to see what else is in here. So, and I love how they do their little information packet as a newspaper. So who is this curated by? Hadley? Hadley who? Should I know her? Because I don't. Anyways, alright, let's get into it. Alright, the first, should probably open it the other way, shouldn't I? Product is, okay, we have this Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. So crystal infused powers. Ooh, it's this epic Hadley exclusive palette. You can use them wet or dry to create your perfect shimmery look. So this retails for $58. Dip your brush in a face oil to transform these shadows into a molten light cream. What? I have never tried that before. Ooh. One of the pans came out. It's up here. Let me. Ooh, and there's like some sticky stuff on the other one. Okay, but here's what it looks like. You see that like sticky stuff on the purple shade? Other than that, they're pretty. Are they all shimmer? No, it looks like we got a couple mattes here, but let's just try one of the shimmers. I don't know if you can see that. It's right here. I guess I will have to dip it in some oil. Well, I can't keep this for a giveaway because it's all screwed up. But yeah, I am definitely going to try these shadows. Do I think this is worth $58? No, but I will definitely try it. Okay, next, oh, and then here are the shade names on the little plastic insert, which I don't like, but whatever. $58 and you can't even put the shade names on the eyeshadows? Alright. Okay. Next, we have a product that I've already received in a box. Oh yeah, this is Ipsy. I was gonna say, I think it's from BoxyCharm, but it is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lifting Chrome Mascara. So, I mean, this is a decent mascara. It's not my favorite, but it's a good mascara. So because I already have this, I will be putting this in a giveaway. But let me show you the wand. It's just a traditional wand. And, you know, it's not like in my top 5 favorite mascaras, but it's a decent mascara. Ooh, some people got the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I already have one, so I don't know why I'm acting like I would want that. Alright, next. This Herbivore Botanicals Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil. A few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. It calms, soothes, nourishes, moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. You can thank the hemp seed oil, squalene, turmeric root, and ashwagandha for those benefits. So here is what it looks like. I've heard of Herbivore before, but I don't know if I've ever tried any of their products before. So this retails for $48. And it says, spend a few minutes working in this oil for a relaxing facial before bed. I already have so many oils, so I'm probably going to keep this for a giveaway. But, are on my choice items yet. Alright, so now we have this About Face Light Lock Highlight Fluid in Fight or Flight, Shaken or Stirred, and Sunstruck. Oh, I guess you get one of those. Which one do I got, oh no, Fight or Flight. I was like, that's not an option. Okay. Oh, that's really weird how you have to open it. Like, they want you to open it in the middle. Oh. Okay. I guess I'm going to be using you now. No, really? Was that necessary? Can we just open it like everything else? This packaging, no! Oh my god, I am in love with this packaging. I would keep it just for that. Okay, leave it to Hadley to create a highlighter that's as versatile as you. The shimmery gold liquid can be used 3 ways: an illuminating base, an intense highlighter, or a glow booster in your foundation. Okay, let's see. It is a dropper, and did I say this retails for $32? Ooh, that was a lot. Wow, that's really pretty though. Ooh, that was way too much, but this reminds me of like the Cover FX like liquid highlight drops. Wow, that is beautiful. Look how reflective that is. I have to, I'm sorry. Beautiful. Definitely excited about that. Okay, moving right along. Alright. So next is the NewCo Barrier Culture Cleanser. The one skincare, okay, this 2-in-1 formula removes makeup and gently cleanses without stripping your skin, thanks to a blend of prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. Alright. I have so many cleansers. I'm probably going to keep this for a giveaway, but this retails for $42. That's kind of a lot for a cleanser. It's 3.3 ounces. Alright, let's see. Now we're getting into my choice products. Ha 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 ha. Alright. I just want to like wipe this. I'm about to take a shower and go to work, so. Oh, yes. I've always just wanted to bathe in a highlighter. Such an idiot. Alright. Hey, what the hell? You only live once. Alright. I got the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask in Apple, Lime, and Berry. So, I love me the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. I have it in the original, and I'm almost finished with it. So, I was like, perfect opportunity to get a new one, plus try a different flavor, scent, whatever. Like, I don't, this product is just literally amazing. And it retails for $22. Oh. Alright, we have the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Pillow Talk Medium. Ooh, I love Charlotte Tilbury products. I have never tried her eyeliners or lip liners before. I have a few of her lipsticks, but I am so excited to try this. did I say that this retails for $22? I think I literally just said it and forgot already. But here is what it looks like. It's just kind of like a mauve, and I think this is a color that will work with a lot of different skin tones and lipstick shades. Very nice. And lastly, I got a couple pair of Violet Bosch glasses. So, really, you gotta knot the bag? Ooh, some people got a beauty blender. Huh. A lot of the choices were sold out when I did make it to the, yeah, the choice. Okay, so we have 2 lashes. Are they the same? No. Okay, so this one is I Donut Care, like a donut. And this one is Sexy and I, like EYE, know it. Ooh. Yes, I'm so excited. And it says they are $20. I'm pretty sure they're like $20 each. I don't know. All right, let me calculate the total retail value of everything real quickly. The total retail value for this was $268. And like, I'm honestly excited about almost everything. I'm just not the biggest like face oil person, and I have so many cleansers as it is, but I don't even care about those 2 because everything else is awesome. And yeah, this was bomb. Alright, what do you guys think about this? And if you do get Ipsy Glam Bag X, let me know what your favorite product out of your box was. Mine's probably gonna have to be, ooh, that's really hard. I can't decide between the 3 I chose. And this liquid highlighter I'm also really excited about. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to take a shower and go to sleep, but I love you and I will see you next time.